The Lincoln College of Technology in Grand Prairie, Texas. My name is Rick Cavalier. I'm the Director of Education for this campus. We want to welcome you. We're going to give you a virtual tour today of our Skilled Trades campus, which is going to cover multiple different programs. Once you walk with me, we'll take a tour of the campus. Welcome to our Learning Resource Center. This is, we also call this our web tech, so our students will have access to computers anytime they're on campus. All of these computers are set up with great resources to find for any field that they're in. We do have full audio and video capabilities in this office. You'll also see that we have a lot of books on the shelf students can use as resources, and we do have over 25 computer stations set up in this room. So this is one of our typical welding classrooms. This room happens to be sponsored by one of our employees who's hired well over 100 of our students in this room. All of our rooms are set up with audio and video capabilities and a whiteboard for instructors to present material on. And this is where you'll spend a lot of your time while you're here at Lincoln learning. Some of the new exciting technology we use in our welding program is our augmented reality welders. So we can virtually weld in the classroom and learn techniques and muscle memory that will help us when we get out to the lab. Mr. Waller, our education supervisor, is doing a demo of one of the welds right now. He's currently MIG welding T-jointed plate. In our welding program, we have 8 individual weld booths outfitted with different machines. This booth happens to have a multi-process welding machine, LED lights on both sides of the booth, and a full fume extraction system. Part of our welding program is our fully stocked and maintained welding tool room. Here we do welding repair of our machines. We hand out all the equipment that's needed. We have 2 full-time tool room attendants who are here to service our students and help them all the time. On our Arkansas campus, we're also supported by our business and financial aid offices. My office is located right here in the front lobby. You can always find me for any help or assistance you need. And we also have a career services office. Career services is going to help you find a job as you get to the end of your program and also help you with employment while you're here coming to school if you need that. Well, we want to thank you guys very much for coming to our tour and seeing our campus, and we can't wait to see you in person.